Hello viewers, welcome to Khalajan's kitchen. I'm Farhanda and today I'm making apple crumble. This dessert served warm with ice cream or custard is perfect for fall season and very easy to make. To make this dessert we will need 5 to 6 medium-sized apples. I am using Royal Gala apples, half a cup sugar, 1½ teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1½ tablespoon cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. To prepare the apples, peel and core them and cut them into slices. Mix the sugar with the cornstarch and the ground cinnamon and then set it aside. I am using lots of ground cinnamon. If you wish, you can reduce the amount to 1 teaspoon or even half a teaspoon. Add the lemon juice to the sliced apples along with the mixture of the sugar, cornstarch and the ground cinnamon. Mix all the ingredients together and then set it aside. And now we will prepare the crumble. To make the crumble, we will need 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cups of rolled oats, 3/4 cups of dark brown sugar, half a cup of pecans, half a cup of melted butter, and 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. I am using rolled oats in this recipe, but if you wish, you can substitute them with quick cooking oats or just use 1½ cups of all-purpose flour. Instead of the dark brown sugar, you can use light brown sugar or even white sugar. And instead of the pecans, you can use walnuts. Mix the flour, the rolled oats, brown sugar, pecans and the cinnamon in a large bowl. Do make sure that you have a large enough bowl because I started mixing it in a smaller bowl and then had to transfer it into a larger dish. Then add half a cup of melted butter with all these ingredients and mix them together so that everything is combined. And now the crumble is ready. Transfer the prepared apples into a large baking dish. We need a large baking dish because once the apples start to cook, the syrup will start to bubble and it might spill out. Add the crumble on top of the apples and spread it so that the apples are covered by it, and make sure to add the crumble to all the nooks and the crannies. And now it's ready to go in the oven. Preheat the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius, which comes to gas mark 4. It has taken 40 minutes for the crumble to cook perfectly. Take it out of the oven and before serving it, let it cool for a little bit because it's extremely hot. Do give this recipe a try. I'm sure you're going to like it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share. If you're new to my channel or haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe, and by pressing the bell icon button, you will get notifications for my upcoming videos. Enjoy!